Hello and welcome, friends. What is a word or term to express uncertainty or doubt? To say that you assume something is true without any proof? For instance, if I were to say, I assume there will be a heavy shower of rain this afternoon. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing. You suppose, right? It is suppose and supposed to. So these are the two terms which many native and non-native English speakers also get confused by. They are similar, but their usage is slightly different, and grammatically also they have different roles to play. If you want to remove all confusion, stay with us till the end of the video, and I'm sure you will enjoy this lesson. Hi, I am Archana Kaile from Good to Excellence. We are your online partner to learn IELTS, PTE, TOEFL and English communication. So let's look at the meaning and grammar of suppose and supposed to. So to suppose is a verb and is used in the present tense. Suppose is to assume that something is true or will happen. It's like guesswork based on evidence but no proof. So we will see the examples. I suppose you took the money to pay for the trip. So you are going with your friend and you are saying that I am guessing you took it for the trip. I don't suppose we have time for a movie now, do we? So you are planning to go for a movie. Your friend says that we will go. You are looking at the watch and saying, I don't suppose we have time for a movie now. Then we may also say, I suppose we don't have time now. I suppose he will arrive in an hour. So he usually arrives. He usually arrives on time. And I assume that he will do so this time too. My father isn't home yet. I suppose he is caught in a traffic jam. So I am assuming the reason for the delay is a traffic jam. Another use of suppose is to replace what if and for suggestions. Suppose the shipment doesn't arrive on time, what then? Or suppose the lockdown in our state extends, what will we do? Suppose you order out tomorrow. You won't have to cook and clean. That is a suggestion. So suppose may be used to express a possible action in the future. Here also, suppose I arranged a babysitter for tomorrow. You could come for the movie then, couldn't you? So you are again giving a suggestion to your friend. Suppose you took a flight next week instead of this week. You could finish the work then, right? So since this is a hypothetical situation, that means it is not real, you are just telling if it happens. So we use the main verb in the past tense. We may use suppose to say, imagine or assume. We use this during role play or acting. For example, let us suppose this room is the African jungle and the table is an elephant. It's not real, you are just imagining. Another example is, just suppose our old Fiat is a rocket and we are taking off to the moon. Suppose is also used to reluctantly agree. That means you are not willing to do the thing, but you just say yes. So I will give you the example. Can you help me out? I know you are busy. Okay, I suppose I can. Not willing to, but saying yes. In a sentence, we write suppose followed by a noun or pronoun. Let's check the example. Maria supposes she will go this year too to Australia for the summer. Now let's check the word supposed. Supposed is the past tense of suppose. They had supposed that Harry would fetch the cake, but he came empty handed. We supposed we would be richly rewarded, but we were wrong. Supposed can also be an adjective and means estimated or expected. His supposed announcement never came. That means expecting an announcement which wasn't made. This is the supposed location of the fort of the Maharaja. Estimated but not confirmed. And now our phrase is supposed to. Supposed to acts like a modal verb and is always preceded by a be verb. It means expected to and adds value to the main verb of the sentence. He was supposed to be here by this time. That means he was expected to be here. Now see the grammar or how the sentence is. He, then the be form was supposed to be, and then here by this time. Let's check the other examples. Jane is supposed to go to London tomorrow. The next one is, they were supposed to take the children for a picnic in the hills yesterday, but it rained. You are supposed to reach half an hour before the chief guest arrives. Tip. Remember, it is supposed to. Ed. Suppose is with ed and not supposed to. Sometimes supposed to be is used to mean as far as I know or to my knowledge. Check the sentence. The men in black are supposed to be special agents. That means they are expected to be special agents. The next sentence is, this is supposed to be an eye-opening film on social causes. Supposed to be is also used when something does not turn out as expected. Check the examples. This is supposed to be the best hotel in the area, but I am disappointed. It didn't meet your expectation. This was supposed to be an evening of games, but it became an evening of fights. So this was suppose, supposed, and supposed to. So let's quickly summarize. Suppose means to assume something is true or to expect something. Suppose is followed by a noun or pronoun. I suppose he will try for a job as a lecturer. Suppose can also mean what if or a suggestion. Suppose I look after the children for a couple of hours, you can go shopping. Suppose it rains, will the picnic be cancelled? Suppose is used to imagine a situation. Suppose this is a castle by a river with no bridge. Suppose is used to agree unwillingly. Oh, all right, I suppose I can drive you to the mall. Supposed is the past tense of suppose. They supposed that he would be there, but he was not. Supposed can be an adjective and means expected or estimated. This is the supposed site of the old ruins. Supposed to is a modal phrase which means expected to. The courier is supposed to arrive today. Or my father is supposed to get a promotion this month. Supposed to be is used to mean to my knowledge. This is supposed to be the best book on English grammar. Supposed to be is used when things don't turn out as expected. How is this possible? These were supposed to be the best seats, but they aren't. Remember, suppose is used with a degree of uncertainty of something happening. We don't use suppose when we are sure, as people often mistakenly do. For example, my son loves chocolate, I suppose. Suppose is wrong here because he is my son and I know what he likes. But your son likes chocolate cake, I suppose. Most children do. This is correct because he is your son and I can assume that he likes chocolate cake as most children like it. I am not certain. So I hope the meaning of suppose and supposed to is clear. I suppose you have understood. So let's take a quiz. Pause your video and start the quiz. Check the answers now. How did you find the lesson? I suppose your doubts are put to rest. Well, I hope so. So do you give us like and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.